Hi guys, this is our safety helmet, and it's made with PP's polypropylene material, the cell. And inside here, we can add the EPS bond if you like for tree climbing. If not, then we can make it to pass the certification of EN 397. Then there will be no EPS inside. Our headlock is patent one, so with this headlock we can adjust your head very well. And last week I was just visited one of my Denmark clients, and after he wear our helmet, he just said the helmet can shoot the headphone very well. Trust me, I'm not cheating you. And also we can change here into nylon. So some electrical workers need nylon in this part. And here our slot is international slot. It's about 30 mm. So we can even add the MSA EMF on it. We can also offer you the accessories like visor and face mask, and also our own earmuff and face mask in net. The face mask in net is used for tree cutting. If you want to order some sample from us, then please contact with us. Thank you. What is more, we can also change the pattern inside the helmet like this. Then even you make it dirty, you can change it and wash it. Also, we can offer you new ones. Just thank you.